Hello, Assalamualaikum, and good evening to my SB, Dr. Ashadi. My name is Alif Rifdi bin Rafi, a final year student from UTeM. I did my internship at Coherent Coorperation. I start my 24 weeks of internship from 14th of March until 25th of August 2023. And my SP was Miss Ho Shin Lo and also a senior staff engineer for RODEM department at Coherent. Okay, there are four tables of content. The first one is company background, objective, job scope, and conclusion. Next, we move to company background. Okay, moving on the first section of the presentation, where the company background, Coherent Corporation, formerly known as 26 Advanced Manufacturing Center or FINISA Corporation, is a globally leading vertically integrated manufacturing company. Coherent Coorperation products find application in fields such as communication, semiconductor capital equipment, industrial aerospace and defense, automotive market, life science, and consumer electronics. The company's compound semiconductor material enable the development of radio frequency, power, and optoelectronic devices. Coherent Coorperation goes beyond manufacturing components and also engage in refining rare metals and fabricating a wide range of engineered materials, including crystal, ceramic, and metal matrix composite, which possess unique properties. The next section is the objective. To learn something new in the industry, to learn the workflow in industry, to get more knowledge in communication, ethics, and more, and to develop new skills. Next is the eye located at the RODEM department, which is the reconfigurable optical backdrop multiplexer. There are two types of subdivision under the RODEM unit, which are amplifier and line cut and advanced component product line. The amplifier and line unit were specifically for products such as JYJ, OMS, WL5, and OA1T. So for me, I followed my industrial supervisor, Miss Ho Shin Lu, which is process engineer. Okay, the next section is the job scope. My first scope is the analyze the process testing data and spacing process study for proof test. What is the spacing? Spacing is the process of alignment and fusion joining for efficient optical signal transmission. Next, this connection allows light signal to pass from one fiber to another with minimal loss and disruption. What is the benefit of spacing? It can become reduce signal loss, leading to more efficient and reliable signal transmission. Furthermore, higher bandwidth spacing maintains the original fiber bandwidth capacity. I will talk about the fiber optic splicing process. The first one is preparation. Clean and inspect the fiber ends to ensure they are free from dust. Strip the protective coating from the fiber ends to expose the bare cores. Next is the stripping. Using precision stripping tools, the protective coating are removed from the ends of the fiber. This typically involves removing the polymer buffer and leaving the cladding and the core exposed. Number 3 is cleaning. After stripping, the fiber are cleaned using lint-free wipe soaps in isopropyl alcohol to ensure no contaminants are present. Next is the cleaving. Use a specialist cleaving tools to cut the fiber ends with precision, creating flat and smooth surfaces. Number 5. Alignment. For fusion splicing, use an automated fusion splicer to align the cleaved fiber ends. In fusion splicing, bring the aligned fiber ends very close together and initiate the fusion process. After splicing, we need to measure the splice loss using the splicer, ensure that the splice loss is within acceptable limits. Also, use a protective sleeve made of heat shrinkable material over the splice area. On the left picture is the good splicer. To ensure quality splicing, we like on the left page show the good splicer. To ensure quality splicing, we must visually inspect the splice we made. We will likely find some flaws in the splice, but as long as it does not affect the optical transmission, it's all good. On the right picture, show that the bed splicer, not all splicing flaws are acceptable. If there are black spot lines, bubble, bulge, or shadow, rework may be required. To ensure optical quality of transmission, never rework the splice more than two. After finish the splicing, we need to record some documentation. Record relevant information about the splice, including splice loss, measurement, and any other details. Maintain record for future reference and maintenance purpose. This is the flowchart of fiber optic splicing process. The first one is start, clean, fiber clean and strip. If yes, we can proceed to the next step. Fiber ends properly cleave. If yes, then we can start the fusion splicing process. If the if the fusion splicing process is failed, then we need to start over from fiber clean and strip. Okay, this is the product that I use for splicing process. The splicer, this one is the splicer, stripper and cleaver. There are a few challenges that I faced during my internship. The first one is the skill level. Achieving an optimal splice requires precise scale. Lack of training or lack of experience can lead to defect splice. Number two is the contamination. Dust, dirt, or reduce left on the fiber after stripping can lead to increased loss or even failure of the splicer. Ensuring the fiber ends are perfectly clean is crucial. The third one is the cleaving quality. The end of the fiber needs to be cleaved perfectly flat for the optimal splicing. Imperfection or angles in the cleave can compromise the splicing quality. The fourth one is the practice English daily. I find myself less proficient in English. Therefore, in the future, I plan myself to practice English daily so that I can communicate with others in English, even though in formal setting. Okay, we move to the last section is conclusion. In conclusion, the overall working experience as an industrial trainee in Coherent Malaysia is great with lots of valuable knowledge in the photonic industry. I have learned a lot of basic things regarding with photonic which I did not discover or learn before in end of the course. It could be said that it is a whole new industry that I stepped into. Learning from the basic until now, I could understand that the concept of the product running in RODEM department for this 24 weeks internship period. Okay, that's all for me. My name is Muhammad Alif Rifdi bin Muhammad Afiq. Thank you.